Falling asleep back there, Buster Brown?
I'm okay. I'm controlling my motorcycle.
Oh, God, here we go again.
I'm riding my motorcycle. The one that I'm on.
I'll come beat the shit out of you. I'm gonna just pull over and beat the shit out of you.
Bring it on!
Bitch.
I don't like all these cars coming at us with headlights on.
Well, if
A lot of
it's
times that means rain.
If it's raining, I'm definitely beating the shit out of you.
And I don't think it means rain, but a lot of times, then the next thing you see, because it's the headlights are the last thing they turn on. But the next thing you see are windshield wipers running with the headlights on. And then you know you're going to get it.
You're gonna get it.
Ooh, you gonna get it?
I'm gonna give it to you. You're gonna get it. And not what you thinking. No, your bike is loud.
Is it?
Little bit. This is the first time I've actually been behind you.
Does it sound good?
Sounds like it's farting.
It's got a fart can on it.
You're farting.
Well, how about when I'm in it? Does it sound good?
Yeah, it sounds good, but you're still farting.
It's
You're
farting?
a farter.
Aww. You
You're
don't
a
fart. No, it don't fart.
It fart. No.
It doesn't.
Yes, it does.
It don't fart. You fart.
You'll fart.
Does it really sound like a fart can?
Love it.
No. Can't be
Yeah,
a
man.
fart. No.
You sound like you're farting.
It's not farting.
Oh. Excuse me. Must be that hot dog I ate.
Yeah.
Well, you could have had a hot dog. You want a kiss too.
I didn't want to ruin my gorgeous, tasty, well thought out dinner.
You mean cheeseburgers? You're having burgers back there.
I could put them on a barbecue. Would you like a barbecue?
You could barbecue them.
Barbecue. Barbecue.
Nope.
I said barbecue.
No, you didn't.
I said barbecue.
No, you said F you. F you too.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I heard you.
I said barbecue.
No.
Dude.
I heard what I heard.
Where's the barbecue guy at?
Oh, no barbecue guy. He says we're back.
What are you doing on the mustard? Huh? Hello?
Hello?
What were you doing on the mustard?
Having fun.
She was on the mustard. And there she goes. Yeah. Did you ever think of that?
Did you ever think? Shut up.
You shut up.
You shut up. Know your role and shut up your hole. Now don't get too close. Now make sure you stay behind. You're going on a blind hill. Yeah, you're doing good.
Shut up.
You're being a great leader.
Shut up. And catch up.
La 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 la.
How's that sound?
How about no? Right, you're supposed to be leading.
Who said I'm supposed to be? You're up there.
You're supposed to be leading.
Why am I supposed to be leading?
I don't know. You've been leading.
Well, I'm waiting for this truck anyway. All right, now I'm coming up.
He's coming up. Let the world.
Yeah. You want to do it? Thanks.
Do people not believe in stopping anymore? I mean...
No, they don't.
It's like, what the heck? Nobody believes in stopping at red lights. Nobody believes in stopping at stop signs. I agree with Nugget. Red means stop, and STOP means stop.
Take it easy.
Hey, people.
No need to get your panties up in a bunch.
Yeah, it is.
Hello. Hi.
My panties are in a bunch. I've got to wedge it.
All right, now let me see what's going on here. Slowing down. Fly horn. Okay. Listen, you. Oh, what are you, horny? It's not that time of the year, huh? Stay out of the bike lane, you jerk off.
Hi.
Hello. It's so hardly. Is anybody going left?
Give me a little boy.
You leaving me alone.
Give me a little boy.
You leaving me alone. You leaving me alone.
No. Give me a little boy.
You leaving me alone.